Hey guys, so I'm on my way home. Try not to get too excited here. My neighbor texted me a couple minutes ago to ask me if I was okay, and I called him and said, yeah, why? And apparently we've had what may have been a tornado come through our neighborhood. He has a tree on his house, and he's saying that I have one down on the back of my house, and I have several trees down out front, and that one part of my driveway is blocked, and so on and so forth. So let's get over there and see what's going on. Alright guys, I'm just starting to really come into my neighborhood, and a couple of blocks from my house, and this does not look good. Everybody has trees down, limbs down. Oh gosh. Yep. Everybody out here clearing stuff off. Everybody has limbs down. Well, all I can do is see what I got when I get there and see what I gotta do. Oh man, look at this. My house is just over this hill. Look at all this debris. Oh no. Oh wow, that's my property there. Oh my gosh. These are pretty good sized trees. Looks like the city's already been through cutting things off, and look at that pine tree. Just took the top right off of it. Oh my gosh. Look all down there. Alright. So that's all just stuff in the yard. Not just stuff in the yard, but it's not damage to the house. Reflections. There we go. Oh wow. There's a tree on the back, yeah, hanging over the top of the house. Oh wow. Yeah, they told me my driveway was blocked, so this lower one is. Oh wow. Definitely a tornado. Thank God for State Farm. There's the neighbor that was texting me over here in my yard, so I'll go ahead and wrap this up, and wow, these big trees, and talk with him. He's clearing my driveway, and then I'll pick this back up when I get out back. Alright, so the electricity's on because my garage door came open, and this is just what I just drove through. I don't think I've ever been hit by a tornado. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at those big trees, and they're snapped off and they haven't fallen yet. Great big trees. It took all the tops out of all those big trees. So, let me get on around back, go through the house, and see what it looks like. I need to remember I've got a couple of groceries. Hang on. Sorry, it's hard to tell when I have the camera on and when I have it off, and the house is just trashed. Got several big trees down. Wish you can't see. This one is on the house, and I'll have to go back in and see if it went through. So that one's what I thought would go down. Oh my God, look up there. It just tore all the trees out, all the tops out. All of that stuff. Yeah, I'd say it was a tornado. But the worst is this. So this ends up being a fish video after all. It tore my tub down and knocked it down, and it's completely empty. That really sucks. I don't see any fish. I can't even budge that tree. That's way too heavy. The deck held up though. Be damned if the deck didn't hold that weight. Just for a perspective. Oh good. Ancient cypress out there is still standing. And it's been there for a couple hundred years. It's okay. All of the tops of these trees are out. All in our beautiful woods. And there's that. So no rain predicted the next several days, but hopefully that won't make otherwise. No indication inside that it would. Yeah, I've never been through one like this. Look at all of these trees. I hear people already with the chainsaws the next house up. So just went through this less than 2 years ago with the horrible hailstorms we had here that's actually totaled my car even. And this is a new roof from that. It totaled the roof, the gutters, everything. But we'll see what happens with this roof. I'm going to stop here for a minute. Just noticed, I just stopped a second ago, but I just noticed the wisteria. You guys know how much was in that tub. And that's what's left of it. There's pieces of it all over here, but that's not even a tenth of what was in there. So I guess it went with the tornado. So I guess we have wisteria now somewhere in a pond near here. Poor fish. The hell? That dumped out here when the limb hit it. It didn't blow over, the limb knocked it over. But I don't see any fish at all. Damn it. Get that tub going again. No fish. Here's the plexi that was on top of it. Well, this is a lot to take on, but thank God I have insurance, and I'll be calling State Farm in just a moment to let them know I've got major damage. I need these trees moved. The dogs and cats are all okay. Inside fish are okay. So let me get back to that. I actually have not been in here. Come back, Toby. Since I got home, and since that tree is on this section, God, I hope it's not heavy enough to fall. Because that's my bedroom. And it's where half my tanks are. Wow, it's like being... yeah, it's totally covered the house on that side. But all the tanks in here are okay. The electricity's on, so... Alright, I've come back through the house. Just want to get a little closer look at what's going on out front. Again, there's the house that's laying, or the limb that's laying on my bedroom, or the house, whatever, the tree that's laying on the house. That driveway's completely blocked. that came from up there, so thank God that sharp part didn't go through the house, through the roof. But yeah, that's where that broke off from, right there in the middle. All these limbs hanging and broken, and wow. And of course I just did the yard 2 days ago. Walk up the hill here a little bit. A little hard to see, but right in the middle there's a couple of huge pine trees down in the woods out there. Those are my woods. Oh, wow. It's my neighbor that lives there. They have a tree on their house. I'll go over and check on them in a bit. That's her up the road there. This is my property here still. Go all the way up to the next drive. It does smell like a lumber yard here with all the fresh oh wow, that came from way up there, right in the center is where that snapped off. It's a big pine tree.
Okay? Yes, you're good. Okay, good.
Maples and pine. I don't know if insurance will move that or not. We'll find out. Wow. Look back through those woods. It came right through there, snapped all of those trees off. Snapped that big, huge tree off up there. Trying to get around to see it. It was a huge tree. So that's what's there. Alright guys. I'll talk to the neighbor.